be honest with me. Every year we tell ourselves, this time I'll study seriously from the beginning. But after a few weeks, everything changes. The motivation disappears. We start procrastinating, and suddenly, exams are near again, and that regret comes back. Why didn't I start earlier? This is the most important phase of your year. And no, I'm not going to tell you to study 10 to 12 hours daily. I'm going to give you a simple, realistic system that you can actually follow, even on low motivation days. Last year, I also thought the same. I have a lot of time. I'll start seriously later. And guess what? That later never came. Syllabus piled up, stress increased, and studying became 10 times harder. That's why I'm telling you, don't underestimate the starting months. Understand this clearly. The first 1 to 2 months of your session decide how easy or stressful your whole year will be. Right now, syllabus is less, concepts are new, and your mind is fresh. If you study consistently now, you'll stay ahead without pressure. But if you ignore this phase, you'll keep trying to catch up the whole year. Now listen carefully because most students make these mistakes. They study randomly, no plan, no structure. They watch lectures like entertainment but don't revise. They ignore NCERT and jump to other books. And the biggest one, they think I understood it without solving questions. Understanding not equal to preparation. If you don't practice, you will forget. Now let's fix this with a simple routine. You don't need to suddenly study 8 to 10 hours. That's not sustainable. Start with 3 to 4 hours daily. Example routine, 1 to 1.5 hours. Learn concepts, lecture/reading, 1 hour. Revision, same day, 1 to 1.5 hours. Questions/practice. And one important rule. Daily revision is compulsory. If you skip revision, you'll feel like you're studying, but nothing stays. If you're a PCB student, this part is very important. Biology. Don't treat it like a reading subject. Read NCERT line by line. Revise multiple times. Make short notes if needed. Chemistry. Split it into parts. Physical to practice, organic to understanding, inorganic to revision. Physics. This is where most students struggle. So don't just watch lectures and feel done. Solve questions daily, even if it's just 10 to 15. Because physics is not about watching, it's about applying. Now let me tell you the real secret. You don't need to be the smartest student. You just need to be the one who shows up every single day. Even on days when you don't feel like studying, just sit for 1 hour. Because consistency on bad days is what actually builds success. Imagine this. 2 months later, you're relaxed, syllabus is under control, while others are stressed and confused. That difference starts from what you do today. So don't wait for perfect motivation. Start small, but start today. And if you want more real, practical study content like this, subscribe, because I'm going to share everything I'm learning in this journey. Let's not repeat last year again.